What is going on? This is Coach Kev, Vice President with his amazing company called Freedom Path. I get a chance to share with you this freedom wealth opportunity that could potentially change your entire life. I want you to look at this because maybe you're renting and you want to go from renting to owning, or you're saying to yourself, you know what? I just need to have good credit so I can get approved. I want you to listen to this information because it doesn't matter your credit situation, you'll get value and you'll learn exactly what you need to get to the next level. So, what are the three main barriers to financial freedom? Low credit. A lot of people suffer from having low credit, and that can be a killer because you can miss out on so much and pay so much more because you have bad credit. Cash flow. You won't be really in position to generate cash flow because you don't really understand how to build a savings, which that takes time. And then lastly, lack of financial literacy. This is a big one. I remember being in that situation where I didn't really understand financial literacy until I got a chance to get around some people who dropped some nuggets on me. Now, I want you to think about this stuff and also, take some copious notes because these three things can really help you change the trajectory of your life. I'm going to give you a little bit of more, a little bit more data just to help you as well. So, being denied uh, because of credit, 50% of people deal with that. So I'm not sure if you felt that. I remember dealing with that so many years. It got to the point that I didn't even attempt or try to get approved. There's so many people that are under the age of 18, Gen Z, millennials like me. When you think about where we are in life, it's really about putting yourself in the best position to win, no matter what your background is, no matter what your age looks like. And you know, the thing I want you to really think about is just the name. It's called Freedom Wealth. The name of the program is Freedom Wealth. Imagine if you had more freedom. Imagine if you knew how to build wealth. It's a comprehensive financial solution, whether you need help with your personal credit, you want to protect or really protect your assets with our wealth path, whether you need to have savings throughout your life occasions and adventures with Life Path. Maybe you're saying to yourself, you know what, I'm an entrepreneur. I always wanted to know how to incorporate myself, and you wanted to be a part of the elite individuals that own homes, own businesses, to you really need to understand about the biz path. So I'm going to share all of these paths with you. The star of the show will be the score path. That's where a lot of people need help with their personal credit. Now, these are the two owners, Mr. Kevin Carroll and Ryan Ragland, the CEO and co-founder of the company. This company was founded in 2022, and we have a lot of positive reviews all over Google and an A+ rating on the Better Business Bureau. Here are just the tools that you can assemble, which is the Score Path, Wealth Path, Life Path, and Biz Path. Let's go to the start of the show, Score Path. And when you look at Score Boost, right? What is that? Well, it's a DIY approach. It allows you to file disputes if you believe negative items on your credit report are inaccurate or erroneous. Late payments, charge off, collections, student loans, repos, evictions, foreclosures. Now, you won't know how to draft up those dispute letters. This program has everything in place that'll help you draft those dispute letters up. It's AI, right? And when you think about AI is here, artificial intelligence. The AI would draft up all the dispute letters after scanning your credit reports, your Equifax, your TransUnion, and your Experian credit report. And with a few clicks of a button, you'll be able to mail out your letters without leaving your house. Think about that. That's so, so powerful. And you get a chance to monitor what's on your credit, your Equifax, your TransUnion, and Experian. I know most of you probably use what I used to use, which is Credit Karma. And Credit Karma doesn't really show you what's on your Experian. It only shows you what's on your TransUnion and Equifax. Now, you can have access to a credit attorney. Let's say you feel your rights have been violated and you don't know what to do next, and you don't want to spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars to retain an attorney. You can submit your documents through your portal, and you'll have an actual consumer law review to actually see if there's a case. And if it is, and they see damages, they can actually take on the case at no additional cost to you. I think that's powerful all in itself. Remember, this doesn't include the program, but remember, if you're paying rent, you can actually report the rental payments to improve your credit and help you establish a positive trade line. At the end of this, you want to get back with whoever invited you and get enrolled immediately. The wealth path, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on these additional paths because I just gave you the main thing you're probably here for, which is improving your personal credit. Now, let's say you need estate planning. Let's say you need a financial planner, debt tracker, things of that nature, online loan. You can take advantage of that through the Wealth Path. Life Path, I love it because if you travel and you want to save when you travel, this is a good additional bonus that you can take advantage of whenever you're ready. For all of my entrepreneurs, have you ever wanted to know the difference between why should you register as an LLC, which is a limited liability, right? Versus a incorporation or maybe a nonprofit. If you need to be pointed in the right direction, this biz path will help you every step of the way. Maybe you want to establish business credit and you don't know where to start. This is a step-by-step academy that you can learn from, and it'll help you get the building blocks. You can also do a success scan, basically a scan of your business to find out where you are falling short of getting funding for your business to help you catapult your business, whether you have a startup or an established business. Now, I gave you the nuts and bolts. Well, not really nuts and bolts. I gave you the main piece, which is the score path, but I broke down a little bit of these additional services. Now, you may think that this is $400, $500, $1,000, but it's not. Most people think it's 1,500 to 2,000. It's just $189. I know it should be more. So your next step is to get back with the person that invited you, get enrolled immediately so you can start the program. You can actually start sending out your dispute letters literally today. There's so many different success stories. This young lady is a real estate agent. She decided to help her client. Well, she enrolled herself. Her score increased 26 points, but then she uses to help her clients improve their personal credit so she can turn around and help them get a home. Let's talk about Mr. Coach Trills. Basically, help one of his clients leverage. It doesn't really have anything to do with the credit piece, but he allowed one of his clients help them get funding. And when you think about this, so many people with bad credit can't really apply for funding. So maybe you're looking at this and you're like, man, I wanted to have funding, but I had some issues and you need help with your credit. You need to get enrolled with this program. And when you think about this Freedom Wealth system, think about what Coach K said. She said it prepares individual to get to the next level to be able to get a loan. She helped one of her clients lock down a loan for $58,000 in just 5 days. So now that client has new capital that was dropped in her account, all because Coach K decided to share with her the importance of improving her personal credit and point her in the right direction of getting funding. So again, the future starts right now. Which one are you ready to take control of your financial future? Get enrolled for $189, $99 a month. Do you have questions? Get back with the person that invited you. And what if you say, you know what, I like the information. I would like to become a referral partner. Definitely get back with a person that invited you. Thank you for taking the time to hop on. Let me show you how to get to the website. They'll text you over the website. It looks like this. You'll hit services. You go down here to where it says personal services. Hit Freedom Wealth. You'll go here. If you go all the way down, of course, it's $189. right? We do have a lot of positive reviews on the website, by the way, right? So you can check that out as well if you want. But once you get enrolled onto the Freedom Path, you hit enroll in Freedom Path, fill this out. There's no promo code at the moment. You check off these, hit I'm not a robot, hit next, and welcome to the family. I want to thank you for well, not welcome to, well, yeah, you will be a part of the family, right? You decided to improve your personal credit. So I want you to know we'll also add you to one of our groups. Let me kind of share with you one of our groups. I want you to see this, man, because there are so many clients actually having success in this group. So you can actually be a part of it as well. So let me kind of share that with you so you can see. So this is the group here. There's so many different posts that are happening in this group. Look, people are getting funded. They're taking advantage of different things that really, really help them. And I'm telling you, you could as well. Let me see if I can find a few of the client. As you can see, there are a lot of people that decided to become a referral partner as well. So we don't just talk about the credit piece, but we also talk about the business opportunity and funding side. Let me just kind of look for some client results. So check this out. This 118 points in 38 days. Think about that. Dr. Tangela Collins Myers, constantly helping clients, just like a lot of brokers in this company. Look at Miss Tiffany West. She's actually a real estate agent out in Texas, 72 points in 53 days. So this is an amazing thing. Get back with the person that invited you. Get enrolled immediately. This is Coach Kev signing off. I'll see you on the other side.